Decoding the phrase, ride queue. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound a bit unusual if you hear it out of context. Ride queue. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. Ride. This is a noun that typically refers to a journey made on a means of transportation, such as a bicycle, car, or horse. For example, I took a ride on my bike. Q. This is a noun, primarily used in British English, meaning a line or sequence of people or vehicles awaiting their turn to be attended to or proceed. Americans usually say, line, instead of queue. Example, there's a long queue at the supermarket. When we combine these words, ride queue typically refers to the line or waiting area where people are waiting for their turn to get on a ride, usually at an amusement park or fairground. Imagine you're at a theme park, and you see a new roller coaster. Before getting on the roller coaster, you'll likely have to wait in the ride queue with other excited visitors. Here are a few examples to help you understand its use better. 1. The ride queue for the new roller coaster was so long. We waited for over an hour. 2. They have set up a shaded area for the ride queue to keep visitors comfortable while they wait. 3. Due to technical issues, the ride queue was temporarily closed. So there you have it. Ride queue is all about waiting for your turn at an amusement ride. Next time you're at a theme park or a fair, and you see a line of people waiting, you'll know that's the ride queue. We hope this video has clarified this phrase for you. Keep learning and stay curious.